Aloha Food Foresters. Here is an example of a guild. This one has bananas right here. And see, they're very tall. They're like an understory tree. And then we also have right next to the bananas another tree, the Moringa tree, which is getting pretty tall. You can see it. See, it's right there. And there. Let me see if I can get in a little closer. Here's some bananas growing. Here's some of the flowers on the moringa. So pretty. So this is the moringa tree. So you got two kind of trees anchoring this guild, and then we have pigeon peas. Pigeon peas work really nice up and among the bananas because the bananas sometimes need something to lean on. Plus the pigeon peas live for 5 years and they give delicious little green peas that you can eat, and you can regrow them from seed. So those are functioning as the shrub layer, and you can see there's one more pigeon pea over there. And this right here in front of us is an old pigeon pea that expired, but guess what? You can use the pigeon pea frame as a trellis for growing your tomato vines. So that's what we have here on the vine layer, tomatoes. And then we have on the ground covers, calendula, strawberries, Okinawan lettuce, more calendula. If I showed you back over there, we have ginger. Let me show you. I put some mint on this ground cover, but I'm not sure if I'm going to leave that there because it's been kind of aggressive, as I knew it would be. But I thought I'd try it just for fun. But okay, pigeon peas. This is a ground cover I really like, Prunella vulgaris. I'm planted some of this and I'm starting to move pieces of it around the garden. And there's some volunteers. Prickly lettuce. Okay, those just show up in the garden. I love them because they're analgesic. And here is some ginger that was planted from ginger that I bought at the store. So this is an example of a guild with the layers. The ginger actually is the root, isn't it? Yes. So that's so fun. And I just wanted to show you that. I'll show you one of the cool bananas. Look at that. Oops. Cool looking bananas. See, and they smell good. They have a fragrance. This is the banana flower. So they're fun and they're pretty. And then here's another one. Here's a rose bush here. This is also a nice shrub layer addition because you can eat the rose hips, so you could think of them as an edible. And the petals. There's another banana. So it's very fun. And I hope this helps explain the guild. Okay, aloha.